Failure will never overtake me if my determination is strong enough to succeed. Said by late our President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Good evening, respected Toastmasters and guests. Determination, it is the inner strength of the person. Even determination is a simple word. It required a lot of practices and hard working. Then it can transform your life as well as life of other people around you. To become a determined person, you need to be a disciplined person in your life, daily basis. Everybody have 24 hours in a day. What makes the difference is how you utilize these 24 hours. We should consider failures are the hurdles, but not the full stop for the path our successful life. We should understand in our life, our life is not smooth. Failures are the part of it. We should learn from the failures. We should set a goal in our life and mark the way to achieve it. Real leaders are the or normal people with extraordinary determination. We heard a lot of successful people's story from around the world. Among them, two of the person's story inspired me a lot. The first person is Wilma Rudolph, an American sprinter who won 3 gold medals on 1960 Olympic Games. She was the first American woman, got 3 gold medals in a single game. This is not the inspiration for me. She was the 20th child of among 22 children of her parents. She was suffering from many childhood illnesses. She affected polio at the age of 6 and lost strength of her left leg and foot. And the second person inspired me is the well-known Bharatanatyam dancer and actress Sudha Chandran. She lost her leg at the age of 16 due to an accident. After the accident, with the help of artificial leg support, she continued her dancing performance on different stages all over the world. Same day, she continued acting also. She acted in different movies in different languages. She won more than 5 awards. And she still continued acting on different stages. She continued dancing on different stages. What we learn from this, whether it is able or disabled person, they can achieve their goal with a strong determination. We may face many obstacles in our success path. It may delay or mislead our success life, but we can overcome it with a strong determination. Determination is not only for reach our goals. It can help to give up our habits which is affecting us badly. For example, if we need to quit smoking, with the help of strong determination, we can achieve it. How to improve determination? Is there any way to improve determination? Yes, there is. We can improve our determination. Read autobiography books of successful people. We should set a goal for and go ahead for the goals, dream our goals, Be always active. Believe yourself and be confident. Dream, watch successful people movies. Yes, we don't need to be rushed in our life. Go slowly and steadily. Go gradually and steadily. If you move forward with a positive mind and determination, you will come as a winner. We can conclude, winners never quit and quitters never win. Thank you. Up to customers of the day.